Can we get a table for two, please? Can we get a table for two, please? Could we have a menu, please? Could we have a menu, please? What's today's special? What's today's special? I'd like to order a drink. I'd like to order a drink. May I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'm allergic to nuts, is this dish nut-free? I'm allergic to nuts, is this dish nut-free? Is the food spicy? Is the food spicy? Can we have some bread, please? Can we have some bread, please? I'm ready to order now. I'm ready to order now. I'll have the soup of the day. I'll have the soup of the day. Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Is service included? Is service included? How much is it? How much is it? Could I have some more napkins, please? Could I have some more napkins, please? Excuse me, there's a mistake in my bill. Excuse me, there's a mistake in my bill. The food was delicious, thank you. The food was delicious, thank you. Can we have a dessert menu? Can we have a dessert menu? I'll have the cheesecake, please. I'll have the cheesecake, please. Could you box up the leftovers, please? Could you box up the leftovers, please? Is the tip included? Is the tip included? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Is there a restroom? Is there a restroom? Excuse me, I need to use the restroom. Excuse me, I need to use the restroom. Could we have some more ice, please? Could we have some more ice, please? Is there a children's menu? Is there a children's menu? What time do you close? What time do you close? Do you offer takeout? Do you offer takeout? I'm celebrating a special occasion. I'm celebrating a special occasion. Can we split the check, please? Can we split the check, please? I'd like to make a reservation for tomorrow. I'd like to make a reservation for tomorrow. What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? Are there any seafood dishes? Are there any seafood dishes? Do you have any recommendations for wine? Do you have any recommendations for wine? How long is the wait for a table? How long is the wait for a table? Could you bring some ketchup, please? Could you bring some ketchup, please? Is the salad included with the main course? Is the salad included with the main course? Can I have extra dressing on the side? Can I have extra dressing on the side? Excuse me, my steak is overcooked. Excuse me, my steak is overcooked. Can we have some more bread, please? Can we have some more bread, please? I'd like to try the local cuisine. I'd like to try the local cuisine. Are there any vegan options? Are there any vegan options? Do you serve breakfast all day? Do you serve breakfast all day? Can I have a refill, please? Can I have a refill, please? Do you have any gluten-free options? Do you have any gluten-free options? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? Is it possible to customize my order? Is it possible to customize my order? Can you recommend a good appetizer? Can you recommend a good appetizer? Thank you for the wonderful meal. Thank you for the wonderful meal.